Another day, another buck $2.98. Yeah, can you have somebody move that crate?
Yeah, get right on it.
Oh yeah, that's you.
Yeah,
Morning,
yeah,
everybody.
yeah, that's me.
Morning, sunshine.
How's it going? Larry! What do you mean I'm not here?
Yeah, what do you mean you're not at work?
What about your arm? Beer cozy. Hi, I'm Mike Everman. I am 52. I am from Santa Barbara, California. I have a small business called Bell Everman Incorporated that makes robotics and all-weather, ocean-going camera motion systems for semiconductor and biomedical, things like that. I'm married. I have 3 sons, 23, 15, and 14. My 23-year-old Kyle works here full-time. My 14 and 15-year-olds are in high school. I can't say that any of my sons have shown any of the inventive spirit that I have, but it's too soon to tell. Though, by the time I was their age, I had already done suspended animation experiments on frogs, which I'm not very proud of, but I was very young. I'd already built radio-controlled blimps, designed a mechanical television set, spent a lot of time designing a diesel-powered machine gun before I even got to high school. I was really happy to see my middle son hit high school, and I immediately volunteered to help some students there at San Marcos High School compete in the JPL Invention Challenge. That was something new for me, a really great experience. My middle son Connor initially said, "Hey, yeah, that sounds cool." Showed up for the first meeting, and the little bastard quit. So anyway, I pressed on with a team of 6, 2 girls, 4 boys, and it was a very rewarding experience. We got 3rd. Could have gotten 1st.
You still have
Wait,
50 seconds.
what's the distance? Back, 25?
Yeah, 25.
Laser tag?
Seconds left. This is for 3rd place.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah.
All right, the next.
Morning, Kyle.
Good morning.
You want to follow me around a little bit?
Sure.
Okay. Hey, Lane, you make me rich yet?
I'm working on it.
You working on it?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm a little tired rolling around on Monopoly money and chocolate coins. Jake is supporting local high school, Dos Pueblos High, in the first robotics competition. Anyway, back to this. So Lane put it on his granite. He swept it with indicators. He got about 2 thou out.
Okay.
I want you to duplicate his setup, do it again,
Okay.
see if you can get the same result. If it really is 2 thou, then I want you to take it apart and make some measurements on things like the flatness of the bearing seat, etc.
Okay.
So you'll probably want to take the motor off to do all of that.
Right.
I think my first experience with any sort of engineering was with my grandfather when I was about 5 years old. He had a wind-up train that I really, really wanted, and he wouldn't give it to me. But eventually he handed me one of those old style alarm clocks with 2 bells on top, and he said, "When you can take this apart and put it back together so that it works and it'll wake me up in the morning, you can have the train." So I sat down and worked on that all day, and by that evening I was able to demonstrate that I could tear it completely down and put it back together so that it worked. And I guess the telling moment though was when I realized that I had way more fun taking it apart and putting it together over the next several weeks than I had playing with the train. Thanks for videoing me, Scotty.
No problem.
I know it's a little early for you. What makes me think I can win top engineer? Well, I have a huge breadth of experience and an interest in everything. There's nothing about mechanics, electronics, physics that I'm not interested in or have given some thought to. I have 12 patents that range from a truly horrible gyroscopically stabilized hockey puck to rapid immunohisto God damn it, biomedical diagnostic. My other patents have to do with the space station. The International Space Station has 2 rotary joints on it, huge 10-foot diameter, that track all the solar arrays to follow the sun. It's only been since about '05 that I've been able to even entertain a hobby. Before then, my business was very, very time consuming. Now I've got a great president running things, Tom Ashanti, and been able to take on some fun stuff on the side. I think that my hobbies span the range from world's loudest, my pulse jet work,
Okay. That's good.
have the world's most popular home-built jet engine site called pulsejets.com. My forum is the most active home-built jet forum on the planet. To the world's quietest, which is my clockwork, and I've been kind of picking away at a clock design that I want to be completely unique, taking it from first principles, and I've been working on that here and there for the last 2 years or so, and I'm still undecided on the pendulum, but I've done a lot of experiments.
Yeah, watch the night. That makes it. How much is supposed to be as always? That'll be more dramatic. Watch the night.
See what the difference is. The plot is actually starting to level off. That is so cool. I can build anything, I can use any tool. I can make anything out of anything. And I don't think you're going to find anybody that can beat me.